Hi ladies, in today's video, I'll be talking about an important essential to your well-being, and that is social self-care. This is video 3 in my short self-care essentials series. Human beings are social creatures. We are social in our everyday lives and we are social online, hence social media. So social self-care is about engaging actively with others, which helps nourish our souls. Spending time with loved ones, nurturing your relationships, and choosing to have some aspect of a social life will help you live longer. Lone wolves don't survive in the wild alone for long, and human beings also need some sense of community. We need to know that we are loved, in addition to loving ourselves. Now, you may not need a large group of friends. This is not the reality of many people, but you should cultivate some network to help you in life where you also are contributing to the lives of others. Social self-care is an essential aspect to your overall well-being that involves nurturing and maintaining healthy relationships with others. It encompasses activities and practices that promote a sense of connection, belonging, and support within your social circle. So here are some key ways for you to practice social self-care. Number 1, invest time and effort in building and maintaining meaningful relationships with friends, family, and colleagues. Make an effort to connect regularly, especially with your friends and family members, whether in person or virtually, and engage in activities that strengthen your bonds. And please nurture relationships with people before you need them, while having boundaries. You don't want to be a doormat in your dealings with others. For some people, that might mean they nurture their friendships more than their relationships with family. For others, they're closest to their family members. Which brings me to number 2, which is setting boundaries. Healthy boundaries are crucial for maintaining your emotional well-being in relationships. Learn to say no when necessary and prioritize your own needs and your limits. The third thing is to seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out for support when you need it, whether you're going through a tough time or simply need someone to talk to. Seeking help from friends, family, or a therapist can be beneficial. Number 4, show genuine interest in others by listening to them. Practice being fully present in conversations and avoid being distracted by things like your phone when you're with other people. Number 5, engage in community activities. Get involved in community or social activities that align with your interests and values. Volunteering, joining clubs or groups, or participating in local events can help you connect with others and feel a sense of belonging. Number 6, prioritize quality over quantity. Focus on nurturing a few meaningful relationships rather than spreading yourself too thin. Quality relationships can provide more support and fulfillment than a large network of acquaintances. So, for example, when I spoke about engaging in community activities, you might decide in a month to go to 5 or 6 activities just to narrow it down to one activity or one group that you have genuine interest in. Number 7, practice gratitude for the people in your life by appreciating the relationships that you have. Social self-care will give you a healthier lifestyle. It's so easy to become passive about life if you're not connected to other people. It's easy to have these parasocial relationships that people have with celebrities and online personalities when we have no real life meaningful connections. So self-care from a holistic standpoint, it also includes looking at how you are socially and the connections that you have with other people. This is why this is a series. By caring for yourself well, you will be better equipped to fulfill your purpose in the world. And this will inspire others to also become a better version of themselves. I'm sure you've heard about the theory that the 5 people we're closest to will become like them. That's how important your social circle is. It really does impact your life in a big way.